Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do the velocity edit on CapCut. So it is pretty simple now that they have it like automatically. Select your video and then go to style, and then you are just going to find auto velocity and wait for it to basically generate, and then it's going to be an auto velocity edit. Super simple, super quick, in under a minute. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!